Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, all of you. Today is International Mother Language Day, and we remember with deep respect who are they sacrifice their life for our mother tongue. And this respect only for them who are they sacrifice their life for our mother tongue. And my dear beloved brothers and sisters, it's a very historical day for our Bengali people. We remember since 1952, that day, 1952 and 21 February. It's a very historical day for our Bangladesh people. That's why we remember with deep respect who are they sacrifice their life for our mother tongue. And I wanna remember those name. That name is MD Rafiq, Jabbar, Barkat, Salam, and another people. They are sacrifice their life unconditionally for our mother tongue. They are heroic person for Bangladesh, and not only that, over the world they remember this day, and everybody respect them. It's a very good opportunity for us, and that's why we are remember them, and we are talking about them. And I'm really sorry because I'm making videos and English version. That's why I'm really sorry. As you know, I'm an English learner. That's why I'm making videos English version. Please forgive me for my mistake. And I wanna speak English in front of anyone or any place. That's why I'm making videos. And day by day, I have to speak English. I have to learn English. If I wanna communication with others or abroad person, or if I wanna a big person, I have to know how to speak English. I have to know how to write English. That's why I'm learning every single day, and I'm extremely sorry for this. Please forgive me. And my dear beloved brothers and sisters, you have to remember, have a look behind, come for knowledge and go for care. We have to remember it perfectly. After that, we will be a good person or a good student. And it will be very easy for us if we remember this word. And not only if we have to remember this word. After that, we will be a good person and we will be a good man. And keep watching. I'm showing our school, high school, and national flag. And tell me how is looking our school and field. Everything is awesome, I think. And please write down something about our school and how I am speaking. And please forgive me. I have done a lot of mistake. Day by day, I will be a good Englishman, inshallah. I please pray for me. I also pray for everyone. If Almighty wants, you soon next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.